Welcome everyone again to this peaceful meditation session. We now meet this time for session 7 and hope you have gained a lot of benefits from meditation practice at your home. Now we go in even more details about meditation. For new attendants, don't worry, we will review for a few minutes about the concept and really basic about the turning point. If it is the first time you hear of this turning point, it is easy. Turning point is the point where the in-breath turns to be the out-breath. This is the turning point of the wind, your breathing. Let's try. Suppose we breathe in deeply and then inside the body, that would be the turning point when and where the inhale turns exhale. See, try again. Right, inside the stomach, that turning point is now fixed in the awareness to do the meditation. It is easy, isn't it? That turning point is staying right in the center of the body. And this is taught, well taught, and widely taught in the Oriental meditation practice. And then let's understand the shape of the mind. In Buddhism and in many Oriental cultures, when they talk about the mind, they would have some vocabularies indicating the mind is of a sphere, round in all directions. So in many cultures, they just understand it right away that the mind is round like the crystal ball. The mind originally is clear, clean, and bright. And now we will understand this in meditation practice together. Even with the eyes open, can you remind yourself of the existence of the turning point? Even the eyes are still open inside the stomach. Good. And then visualize the crystal ball. Now we are doing the right thing about meditation. We got the right place of the existence of the mind, which is the turning point. That is also the home base, the home of the mind. And then about the shape of the mind to be correct in 2 aspects. The place of the mind is the turning point. And then the shape of the mind is like a sphere, round, crystal clear, and bright as it reflects the brightness of any light. Right. Now we get the right place, we get the right shape, but the size is up to you. Now let's try meditation peacefully together. Breathe in deeply and close our eyes gently. Stay in the process of the breathing at the turning point. Now we don't move out, we just stay at the turning point inside the body. Let the stream of relaxation floods from inside. Let the stream of relaxation floods out from the center of the body until the whole body is full of relaxation. No, even a single part of the body is without relaxation. Relaxation covers all parts of the body. Relaxation gets absorbed by the mind as well. So the mind is now flooded with relaxation also. Both mind and body are well relaxed. And the mind is even more peaceful, more and more quiet and peaceful as every second goes on. Be calm in the process of centering at the very center of the body. Let the awareness stays at the center of the body. As we have learned, the shape of the mind is round in all the three dimensions. So we visualize the image of the crystal ball in three dimensions. The vision appears as a sphere, crystal clear, like diamond, clear, round, in the center of the body. Let the mind touch. To touch is not physical touching. To touch is to blend, to get blended into the form of the sphere. Let the mind blend well with the form of the crystal sphere. Stay in this simple process in tranquility. Remind ourselves of the existence of our real self inside the center. The existence of the real self is expressed in the form of the bright dot. The bright dot, like the star amid the dark sky. This is a symbol of the existence of the real self in the center of the body or at the turning point. The bright dot appears in the center at the core of the crystal sphere. The sphere lies in the center of the body, and the bright dot of existence stays even at the very center of the crystal sphere. That would be easy enough to combine the two at the center. For those comfortable with the vision, just go ahead with the crystal ball. But those with less comfort, just relax. Relax and rest at the center of the body. Relaxation is the first priority, and the clarity of the image is the later priority. So we go to the first priority by relaxing. Relax the entire body. Relax the whole mind. And remind of the existence of the bright dot at the core of the crystal sphere. And relax even more. And remind of the bright dot inside the crystal ball. Maintain this moment. Cherish the tranquility in peaceful silence for a little moment. Maintain the contact between the mind and the center bright dot. This is to touch, is to blend the quality of the brightness into the quality of the mind. We blend the mind and the bright dot brightness together. Blending is easy and of common sense. It is like a drop of water, one single drop of water onto the surface of the lake. Once the drop reaches the surface of the lake, blending starts to take over the entire water. The drop blends into one. The mind and the bright dot blend into one. Blending now is in process, and doing this blending, the brightness is in progress. The mind is getting brighter, brighter than a single dot of the little star. It is brighter as the moon and brightest as the sun. The sun is sharing its brightness with the shape of the mind. Blending is now taking place at the center. It is where the crystal ball is getting brighter, brighter than the moon, and then brightest as the sun, like the sun is shining 100% in the crystal sphere at the turning point. So we get the absorption of the bright light by blending the mind and the bright sun. This transformation takes no time. The mind is getting bright. The sphere form of the mind as Oriental concepts and Buddhist teaching. The mind is round, crystal clear, and bright like the sun. Remind of this happening. Remind of this appearance always, as often as we can. Then it is about time to share this bright and peaceful happiness to others. Without sharing, the world would be in darkness. So we are supposed to share this happiness to all mankind, regardless of races, nationalities, cultures, and even religious beliefs. Everyone is entitled to receive our happiness shared. In practical way of meditation, sharing is done by expanding this bright sphere, bright crystal ball inside, shining white, shining aglow without boundaries. We expand the sphere of brightness, including good wishes, including pure happiness without discrimination to all human beings and all other beings. Let the expansion of the bright light go on and on automatically without managing at all. Bright light expand endlessly while the mind focuses at the brightest dot in the center of the body. Let sharing go on and on, far and wide, endlessly, endlessly. After sharing, we slowly open up. Opening up this time, we would see a better mind and then a better world around us. We can look around and see the better world after meditation and happiness sharing. Congratulations with this meditation session. And next time, if you don't miss the session, the class, I would explain why we should visualize the meditation, the rationale behind this visualization. See you next time. Bye bye.